What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? It's Friday. Got a new video. Check it out. Very happy and excited. By surprise, I received this package that arrived all the way from the UK from my friend, Kit Builder Chris. I was like, wait, what? A Oshima box? Says fragile? You know? Man, I have not opened it. I was painting the Corvair earlier. My lady's like, hey, you got a package in front of the door. And I'm like, wait, what? So I know I was expecting a package of product, God Hand product, which I'll do a video later. But this one showed up, and I'm like, all right, we got to open this up. We got to do it right. We got to open it up together here. So I want to document this. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see, man, this is exciting stuff. Make sure you check out his channel, Kit Builder Chris. He was on the podcast not too long ago as a guest. Let's see here. Oh man. All right, here we go. Let's crack this open. So we got the two camera angles. We're gonna see. We wanted to capture everything. Maybe I'll add a third camera angle. I don't know. We'll see. Let's check it out. Dang. What could it be, guys? I don't know. All right, here we go. Let's get all this paper out. What? Oh, dang. I see a case here. Model Master Tools display with the card here. Let's see. Is it taped on here? Oh yeah, it's taped. So let me be very careful. I'll pull this out. Let me move the box and all this stuff out the way. Here. All right, let's set this down here for you guys. And let's see. It says here, this car is upside down in the case to make it easier getting it in and out. Best to open with case upside down. Ooh, what? All right, all right. Let's see, guys. Let's check it out here. So we're just gonna do it this way. That's how he said, upside down. Here, let me turn it to the side. We got that lower table view right here. You see the box? The black part right here, I can see it's the base. And then we have the top. Damn, is that a Monte Carlo? That's pretty cool right there. They got it on display. So let's pull this out, guys, here. Dang. Ooh, we got another paper here. Here, let me pull this out first, slowly. Lay it down. Oh, man. Check out this little box right here. It's pretty cool. Let me set this aside. All right. Before we unravel it, unveil it, I mean, let's go ahead and see this little note message here. All right. Let's see. Let me see. Just wanted to send a little token gift to say thank you for your help, kindness, support throughout the years. It's a little imperfect in places, but that's just my style. Haha, here's too many more conversations about fun, positive things and plenty of shenanigans. All the best, Chris. Oh, what? All right. Dang. Let's see. Maybe I could slide this over. Oh, yes, we could. Let me place this here. Got some tape right there. Put the tape there. All right. Oh, man. I've never had one of these cases, so I see that these clip on, which is pretty dope. I think if I push this, oh, there we go. Oh, what? I'm gonna have to order me some of these Master Tool ones. These are different. They don't sell these at the stores, but I know my distributor carries them from time to time, so I might actually just get some to have them online and also some for myself here. All right, here we go, guys. Check it out. What, the Haku? Dang, look at that. Oh man, dude. What the heck? Crazy. Now I have this art piece by Chris. All right, let me move all this stuff here. And let's check out the car. Let's see. Oh, I see a side mirror broke off, but not to worry. That's common. That happens during transportation. Look at it though, man. Dang, this is crazy. They made it all the way from the UK here to California to Los Angeles. Set this aside. This too. Thank you, Chris. Dude, thank you, brother. Man, all right. So check it out. This is just a side mirror. It fell off. Not to worry though. You know, we could definitely fix this and glue it back on right there. Let me get this here. Let me set it on the base better, guys. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Let me fix the back wheel. There we go. Dang. Here, let me get it on the top view angle right here. And then we'll get that bottom one. But look at this. Look at that clear. That shine right there. Dang, bro. This is the first time I see your work up close and personal right here. Man, this is crazy, bro. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Now I have this art piece by you. I have one by Casey as well. The RX 78. Here, I'm going to move this camera angle. Let's get this closer, guys. Let's see how close we can get right here. This angle right here. Dang. I could probably get closer on right there. I think the focus is on my thing is a little off. Maybe it's supposed to be from afar. But that looks clean right there, man. Dang. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be taking care of this little mirror. Not to worry. Dude, thank you so much, man. This is dope. And then the case too, all together. I really like that. You could just pop that thing in there. And it looks big. I like the size. It's wider compared to the cases that we have here. This is a really nice case, man. And I could always polish it too, you know, get it nice and shiny there. Wow. This is dope. The Liberty Walk Hakuzaku right here. The decals right down here. These are sick. Look at that. Here, let me see if I can hold it down. Look at that right there. This is dope, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much for this piece right here. That's crazy. It's really hard to ship stuff, you know. A lot of times vehicles, cars, things break, things fall off during transit, you know, things get tossed around and everything. And we're so lucky it was just that right there. Woo! Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. I'm gonna find a nice place for this to stare at, be part of my collection here. Man, this is so dope. I think I'm gonna start collecting more model pieces. This is really, really nice, man. Like, you know, it's a different feeling, you know, from like the stuff you build to like pieces that your other friends are building, you know. Damn, that's crazy, bro. Thank you very much. And thank you everybody else also for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and take care. All right, guys, peace out.